Guys, so yesterday we actually didn't get to put in the bushings because I was just doing my car and he went somewhere. So we're gonna do that today. It's a new day. Hope you guys are having a good day.
Gave my name to all of them. And the voice of it all that I can't keep my heart.
Alright guys, now you guys can't even complain anymore because we got jack stands and scissor jacks both helping us. So what we need to do first is we need to remove the center bolt, and then we gotta remove the exhaust hanger.
Basically, it's right here. Yeah, I mean that's one of them, and then you have to do the two supporting ones. After that, you gotta remove those hangers with the front pipe on it.
Yes. When you get a piece of wood, I mean not this wood, that wood. Okay, so So we just unbolted those 2 bolts, so we need to get all of those 4 bolts right there. So oh right here. Oh, so this one is completely different.
Yeah.
This one has some give, but because it fills up the space, it's able to do much better. Oh, interesting.
Okay, I'm satisfied that I'm not gonna get polymer squeak for a long time.
I have polymer squeak, cause race car, bro.
No, this piece of shit, bro. It kinda, low-key, like, makes it feel like it's a short shift.
Alright, so these are the 2 bolts. This is where the bushing is, and that's the drive shaft right there. So, I'm loosening it right now, and I'll see you guys once I finish that. Alright guys, so
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty.
alright, we just finished putting the last bushing. We're just gonna put in some of the under panels, and we're gonna be done. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Haha. Hell yeah.